Have you ever been on a supermarket line and seen some magazines near the counter? So you pick up one, you start thumbing through it. Whoa, look, a woman has a baby at age 75. Oh, Jeff Bezos just filed bankruptcy. Of course, I'm over exaggerating, as tabloids often do, but having those magazines at the counter is a sales strategy. And it must work because not only are those magazines positioned there, but also are candy bars, gum, and small handy trinkets. So let's talk about the second most important skill you need to be profitable with Amazon private labeling. And that's Amazon PPC, which stands for pay-per-click. Unlike magazines at the counters in supermarkets where everyone and anyone can peruse through the magazine, we want to laser focus who peruses through our listing on Amazon. In the first 4 episodes, I discussed why I know Amazon private labeling is still profitable, doing product research, and more importantly, differentiating your product, making sure your product has good margins and demand. And in the last episode, I discussed dealing with suppliers and shippers and what to focus on as your product is getting manufactured and ultimately shipping to Amazon. Hi, this is Rochelle, and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. So, you will receive an email when Amazon receives your product. It may take days before it hits the listing and is available for sale, and it may partially be listed initially because Amazon may ship units to other warehouses for better logistics. At this point, you are ready to start your PPC campaigns. We will get into more specifics in the next few videos, but I want to start with an overview so you understand why PPC is important and what you're trying to accomplish. Sales velocity is what we are trying to accomplish with PPC. The more sales velocity, the better chance we have to get to page 1 and to climb to the top of page 1. Every search term has a page 1. We want to get on as many relevant page 1s as possible. So how does Amazon know which search terms are relevant to our product? Well, Amazon will take into account the keywords you use on your listing and also historical data that establishes what search terms were used when customers buy our product. So our goal is to target the best converting search terms in our PPC campaigns. We'll do this by optimizing our PPC campaigns so we allow our product to be seen by customers most likely to buy. Users of Amazon are mostly coming to Amazon to buy. So they are entering the search terms of the product they're interested in buying. We want to make sure we appear when users type in our money keywords. And just as important, we want to make sure we don't appear in front of shoppers that probably won't buy. Now, if I'm selling crocodile boots, for instance, I want to appear on page 1 of the search term crocodile boots. But I'd rather show on page 1 when shoppers type in crocodile boots with buckles or crocodile boots with buckles for men, because these are more specific search terms and they give me a better chance to get a sale. Shoppers who type in crocodile boots may buy mines, but probably I'll have better sales velocity when shoppers type in crocodile boots with buckles or crocodile boots with buckles for men. See, there's a delicate balance as crocodile boots will probably have more demand, but crocodile boot shoppers may not want my type of crocodile boots. Stacking those longer, more specific key terms gives us the better chance to sell. So how can we pinpoint those shoppers that are more likely to buy. Our first game plan is to look at our search term reports at least weekly and add words to our PPC campaigns as negative keywords when we know shoppers using certain search terms are not looking to buy our product. If we are running an auto PPC campaign, that means we're allowing Amazon to show our product where they feel is best. We will see search terms on our search term reports like green crocodile boots, or crocodile boots for women, or crocodile boots for kids. So we would want to add women, green, and kids to our negative keywords. So shoppers who type those search terms are not shown our boots because it is very unlikely they will buy. Next, we'll look at our search term reports and look at the search terms that convert for sales. And we will create campaigns to focus on those money keywords individually. Let's take a look at what this looks like and why it is more effective. Let's say you have a PPC campaign for exact and phrase type for the search terms crocodile boots with buckles. We will also use our negative keywords we discovered already in these campaigns. So in example 1, we run an auto campaign for $10 daily, and the 10 clicks are on the screen. Because some of the search terms were shown to shoppers that weren't looking for our type of crocodile boots specifically, we wasted clicks and money on shoppers that probably aren't looking for our type of boots. Whereas in example 2, we run an exact and phrase campaign for the search term crocodile boots with buckles, and the results are more sales because our boot was shown to shoppers more likely to buy. So to recap, more page ones for as many search terms as possible is our goal, and we use PPC campaigns with negative keyword optimization to laser target the most likely shoppers for our product. As we discover our money keywords through time, we run individual, exact, and phrase type PPC campaigns to obtain the page ones for our money keywords. If a product is differentiated enough and you find your money keyword shoppers frequently like and buy your product, you, my friend, have a profitable product on Amazon. Thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.